How to log in to Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank online banking account. So if you want to log in, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And after checking that, on the search bar you have to search for Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank, and after searching click on the first search. Now if you want to log in, then you can go to the upper right corner which says login. Click on that, and then you have to choose if you want to log into personal banking or e-trading or ADIB direct or ADIB wealth. So I'll be choosing personal banking. And now if you are new to the internet banking, then you can click on register to new ADIB internet banking, or if you are already registered, then you can click here. And now if you want to log in, then first you have to enter your username, or if you forgot your username, then you will have forgot username option. You can simply click on forgot username, and then you can reset or recover your username. And on the next blank you have to enter your password, but if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot password, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your username and then your password, then that's best. You have to simply enter that username and password, and after entering you can simply click on login, and that's it. That's how you log into your ADIB internet banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.